Hi guys, welcome to this session in LibreOffice Writer. In this module I want to show you how you can add fields to your document. So what I want to do is go into the Insert tab and look at these fields, this list here. So you've got a few options that you can bring into your document there. For example, the date, that will bring the current date in, and if I press enter it could come down a couple of lines to give myself some spaces. You've then got this sort of information. Title, if I go title, that's bringing training in, and if I come down again and go for subject, that's bringing in Microsoft. If I come down again, you've got an option there to go into more fields where you can bring some other information. So for example there, look, I've got input list and I can add some items. So for example I could go Excel, add Word, and then add, and then sort of access and add. So these will become available in a list. If I click on insert there, just close this for a second, click on that, and then the list appears and you can select a different one and then it'll swap places with that one. Now where is this information coming from, you might be wondering. If you go to the File tab, down into Properties, you can see I've clicked on to General, then to Description. That's where the title's coming from there. Subject Microsoft is coming from there. I've just opened this file to get some more text on the screen, but if you want to get this to highlight any changes, you can go into that Properties area, Properties, and just go into Security, the Security tab, and then you've got this option here, Record Changes. Now you can also get protection on this and have this file as file open in read only, and then put a password on there, which is just going to ask you for a password, which I'm not going to bother with. But this should record any changes that I do. So if I click OK on that and then just start doing something on this document, so if I delete that, it shows you that you've deleted that, and then if you type anything, it's giving you that sort of information. And as I just type or delete, it will, if I change the format of something, bold for example, let's do key command control B, the colours change, so you can see that it's actually telling you where people have entered data. So that's all I want to talk about in this little video, how you can insert field information from the properties, and how you can get it to track changes in the properties area as well. So hopefully this video has been of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you on the next one.